Hello and welcome to Fields BMW Lakeland. This is Nathan with your Genius team, and today we're looking at the seat adjustment buttons found here in the back of the BMW X7. We'll see that there are 6 buttons back here. The front 2 operate the 2 second row seats. As we can see in this vehicle, we have captain's chairs. The next 2 buttons operate the 3rd row seats here, driver side here, passenger side here. And then we have the maximum seating button and then the maximum cargo space button. So if we press on these buttons, I'm going to press on this one, driver's side 2nd row seat. Pressing up on it, you can see that the seat moves to its most forward position. If I do the same here with this button, I press down, we'll see that the 2nd row seat had to move a little bit, then the 3rd row seat lays down. If I want to raise them back up, I can pull back on the switch, moving the 2nd row seat, or if I want to adjust that 3rd row one, pulling there, and it will adjust up. Now you also have switches here for maximum seating position or maximum cargo. So we can press the max cargo. We can see that the right side seat had to move. And so we can see that the 3rd row seats have to adjust down there. Now, if the front row needs to move, it will move the front row so that it can move the 2nd row, so that it can manipulate and move the 3rd row. So it can take a moment. Pressing the max seating area, we'll see that the 2nd rows move up a little bit and they're going to kind of adjust. The 3rd rows rise back up. We can manually raise the headrest up here to maximize the cargo space. So please come check it out, 4285 Lakeland Park Drive here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida, just off I-4 at exit 33, or give us a call at 863-816-1234. We'll see you soon.